Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We just purchased a sports storage rack. We're going to assemble it and show you what it looks like after it's all built. Let's get started.
All right, DIYers, here it is in the box. Here is all the information down below. And we are going to open it up and see how friendly it is to assemble. At this point, everything is on the workstation, and here's what it looks like unpackaged. Got some hardware. Even got a thank you letter. Very cool. Got your instructions. Step number 1, verify all your parts are here. That's what we'll do next. I have great news, DIYers. All parts are present. We can confidently continue assembling this rack. And what I will do, step number 1 is grab the parts in this picture and position them on the workstation. I do want to point out that bottom part right here, when you open this, you have 3 of these that look the same. 2 are the same size and 1 is slightly larger. That is the one that we are going to use in step 1. Step number 1 is almost complete. What I recommend is positioning the parts as shown in the image here. And you'll notice right down here, these screws go in the bottom holes on all 4 connections. From here, we will set the rack on its side and install the feet. And throughout the project, as you are tightening everything, just make sure you are not cross-threading anything as well as not over-tightening anything. You want everything snug, but do not over-tighten it. These just hand tighten. 3 more to go. Rack is now on the floor. On to step 2. And what we will do is grab the 2 additional parts as well as the center part. And this part is going to go right here. And that piece right there will connect on top and secure it with the screws. Here are the 3 parts assembled. And it's very important to position the actual parts the exact same way as in the image. Now onto the straps, as you can see here. And this is important. One bag comes with 2 straps with a lot of hardware. Another bag comes with 1 strap and very little hardware. We are going to use the straps that came together in 1 bag. And look at how this one is positioned. It's wide open. On the back are 2 bars. That is how it is going to be positioned, and install those straps here and here and slide them up. As you position these straps, just verify you're not positioning them or placing them over the screw holes, both top and bottom. Now let's grab the rack, get it up on the workstation, and continue. At this point, the rack is back up on the workstation. You've got 2 long bars and you've got a large basket. The basket will be secured to the lower holes, and the upper holes are for those 2 long bars. Making progress, I actually had to turn the rack around again to match the image. Here's the basket. They're the upper bars. And from here, we are going to install that part we just recently put together. And again, reference the image, make sure it is positioned properly. You've got the grate or cage here and these straps and lower bars as shown. Parts are connected, and this is an important step. These little side parts here, reference this image. Check this out. Before securing this upper screw here and here, you actually have to shift these in place, because that 1 screw right here is what secures this part to the rack, both upper and lower basket. And then you've got this center bar here, secure that with the 2 screws, and then you've got this little mat that goes inside the basket. And now we are going to install the hooks. And what I did next was position the rack again as shown in the instructions. Coming up to the top, all you're going to do is just shift these in place. Just like that, and you've got 2 on each side. All 4 hooks are complete, and you've got some spare parts. Quite a lot of them, actually. And these are for anchoring the rack to the wall. And we're not going to bore you with that in this project. And from here, we'll take it outside and load it up for the kids. All right, DIYers outside, and I've got it all set up for the kids. They are going to love this. It is outside of the garage. I got better light on it out here than inside. It will be stored inside the garage long term. Got some basketballs on top, some helmets on the side, baseball mitts, t-ball set, baseballs, softballs, basketballs, squirt gun. Pretty neat. Even got some sidewalk chalk. Check that out. Kids will love it. What do you think? Hopefully this helps, and we'll also post links down below in the comments section as well as the description section for miscellaneous items shown in this video. From here, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.